In the world of high-performance sports cars, McLaren has always been a name synonymous with precision engineering, blistering speed, and cutting-edge design. The 2024 McLaren Artura, the latest offering from the British automaker, takes these attributes to new heights, setting a new standard for what a supercar can be. At the heart of the McLaren Artura is its revolutionary powertrain. This mid-engine marvel features a 3.0-liter V6 engine combined with an electric motor, resulting in a combined output of a staggering 671 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. The Artura utilizes a hybrid setup to enhance performance while also improving fuel efficiency, a bold move from McLaren that pays off handsomely. The sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour is dispatched in just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars on the planet. The power delivery is seamless, thanks to the electric motor filling in the torque gap at low RPMs, ensuring there's power on tap whenever you need it. McLaren has always had a knack for crafting cars that are not just fast, but also drop-dead gorgeous, and the Artura is no exception. Its sleek aerodynamic body is a work of art in itself, with every curve and crease meticulously designed to optimize airflow and reduce drag. The butterfly-style doors are a signature McLaren touch, adding an element of drama to the Artura's already striking profile. The front end features the iconic McLaren LED headlights, which not only look fantastic, but also provide exceptional visibility at night. While the McLaren Artura may be a supercar in every sense of the word, it comes with a surprisingly accessible starting price. With a base MSRP of $225,000, it offers incredible value for a car of this caliber, especially considering the advanced hybrid technology under the hood. Step inside the Artura, and you're greeted with a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with high performance. The interior is adorned with premium materials like leather and carbon fiber, and the seats are comfortable and supportive, making it equally suitable for daily driving and track days. The exterior features several aerodynamic elements that not only enhance performance, but also give the Artura a menacing presence on the road. The rear wing, for instance, adjusts automatically to provide optimal downforce during high-speed runs and tight corners. In terms of technology, the Artura is a tour de force. The infotainment system is displayed on a large, high-resolution touchscreen, offering features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a state-of-the-art navigation system. The driver's display is fully digital, providing vital information at a glance. Compared to its predecessor, the Artura represents a significant leap forward in terms of technology, performance, and efficiency. The hybrid powertrain not only produces more power, but also reduces emissions and improves fuel economy. McLaren has also fine-tuned the chassis and suspension, resulting in a car that's more agile and responsive than ever. The McLaren Artura boasts an impressive top speed of 205 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. Despite this, it manages to deliver respectable fuel efficiency, thanks to its hybrid system. The electric-only mode allows for short emission-free trips, while the V6 engine ensures you have power on tap when needed. While supercars are primarily designed for speed and performance, safety hasn't been neglected in the Artura. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring that you can enjoy its breathtaking performance with confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 McLaren Artura is a triumph of engineering and design. With its powerful hybrid powertrain, stunning looks, and accessible starting price, it's a supercar that pushes boundaries and redefines what's possible in the world of high-performance automobiles. Whether you're a McLaren enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, the Artura is sure to leave you awestruck and eager to experience the thrill of driving at its finest.